We are thrilled to announce the release of BuildIT 2018, the powerful and configurable build and verify metrology platform. The latest version is packed with new features and improvements designed to reduce your workload. Here are a few of the highlights. BuildIT 2018 features groundbreaking functionalities. By adding support for ferro laser projectors and the ability to perform live projections, BuildIT is now the most streamlined and intuitive laser projection solution. Users can now measure, analyze results, and dynamically project feedback within a single software platform. In an effort to better convey work environment information, we've introduced realistic representations of the measurement devices in the 3D view. These models can be added to snapshots, making a significant improvement to your reports. BuildIT also makes entity selection easier by allowing background objects to be excluded from the selection. Simply hold the Alt key while performing a box selection in the 3D view. BuildIT 2018's analysis capabilities have also been significantly upgraded. With the new cloud-to-cloud analysis, users have the opportunity to compare two-point clouds and quickly identify areas of deviation. In BuildIT 2018, we focused on workflows featuring scanned data, and substantial improvements have been put forward. For example, the cloud-to-cloud registration command has been improved to allow the selection of all clouds to register at once. The algorithm has also been refined to increase speed and overall performance. Optimizations have also been made to the best fit alignment and the reduce command to further streamline the workflow. Lastly, BuildIT 2018 now offers the possibility to blend images to your measurement's background. Your reports will look striking by showing the results in the original context with pictures, drawings, or sketches. Download your free trial today at builditsoftware.com.